Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be going over how to complete our active reading activity and more importantly, how to navigate through some of the options you're going to have today when we read about our new topic and what's going on with our new population. Obviously, when we're done explaining this, you'll come back to our survey and we're looking to understand how to choose from our 4 different articles that you guys will be reading, and then how to record notes about our 3 types of connections that we can make. So we're going to look at those 2 things: how to navigate our articles and how to record our notes. So in task 4, you guys are going to get to this page. You're going to notice a table of contents. You're going to be diving into the Amplify page here and looking at a bunch of articles titled Mutations Not Just for Superheroes. Now, with these 1, 2, 3, 4 articles, everyone's going to read the very first one, Movie Mutations, because it's going to give us some insight into this new idea called mutations, okay? Once you're done reading it, you're then going to choose from one of the remaining 3 articles that you want to read. So maybe you think the Kane Tone Invaders is a cool article or sounds interesting. Maybe you want to read about the red lobster, blue lobster, whatever. Maybe bed bugs is something that sounds cooler than the other 2, whatever. You need to choose one of the 3 to pick. Okay, so everybody's reading Movie Mutations and then one of the other 3, your choice. When you go in and you read through the articles, you're going to be looking to read and highlight, okay, the article with questions that you have, connections that you make, and aha moments that occur. These are things that are going to help us dive deeper into our understanding of not only the topics at hand, but how they connect to our other 3 articles. So when you click on the Amplify link, okay, it'll take you to the very first Movie Mutations article that we picked. And when we click up here, you'll notice you have your other articles to choose. As you go through and read this, you're going to highlight our article with 3 different things, okay? The first one is going to be connections, questions, and then aha moments like we said before. So when you click and drag here, you'll highlight and you'll take notes about whatever it is you're trying to do. If you've highlighted things and wanted to add a note, you can. Remember, we're looking for questions, connections, and moments. Okay, so those can be questions you have that will help you better understand the article, connections between what you're reading and what we've learned in the past, and then aha moments are those moments that help make sense of what's going on with our newt population. So let's look at an example. In movies, mutations are always exciting. They might have something special in terms, or they might give someone special powers or extra limbs. However, a real mutation can be very boring. They might not have any noticeable effect at all. Okay, what is a mutation anyways? So in this section here, if we're going to look at questions, okay, I might ask a question like, why are all mutations not very noticeable? That can be a question. Connections. Is the poison level that we're seeing changing a mutation? Okay, that could be a connection we have. Aha moments. Are there mutations occurring in our newt population? All of these things can be recorded in your notes after you highlight them as a way to keep track of your own thinking and as a way of connecting with what you're reading. So from here, folks, you're going to read, obviously, the article. You're going to pick whatever one you want. And last but not least, when you come back to the Amplify page, you're going to complete the survey and check in with me if you put your X in the yellow or red section. If you have questions, reach out. Otherwise, good luck.